Here we are where we left off in the last movie, and first of all, let me come over and just click in here so that we're searching on the entire text block here and not just that word. Now let's say your client says to you, look, we've got these phone numbers in here, they've got the area code, and they've got the area code and the fax. We don't need the area code and the fax, take it out. So you've got to go down to every fax number and take it out. Well, there's a way you can do it without that. We can search for the area code and we'll change it to what? Nothing. We don't want anything there, although there are two spaces here. Notice there's one before, one after. We'd only want one space, so let me search for the area code plus a space, and then we'll change it to nothing. But of course, if I go change all, let me undo that. It changed a lot of other ones. I want to just go to the story here, change all. It created 10 replacements like that, but it got rid of the area code for the phone number. So we'll undo it. So what we'll do is we'll tell it to find a format. Now I've got styles in here. I've got the name, the address, phone, fax, and web as styles. So I can find the format. You click in the find, or simply just click here, you'll find it. You'll find the paragraph style. What paragraph style? We can find fax. Click in OK. So we'll find this, change it to nothing, only with the paragraph style fax. Change all, 5 replacements made, and there it is. It's all done. That's great. Similarly, you don't have to have styles. For example, let me just clear this, and if you want to clear it, it stays in here, so you just have to hit the trash can there and it'll disappear. Let's say you want phone to be bold, so you can search for what? Phone, semicolon, change to, well, semicolon, but you want it to be bold. So the format you want to find is, in this case, the style phone. Click on OK. And change it to what? I just happen to have a character style called bold, but if I didn't, I could just come in here, and here I could choose font style, choose bold if I wanted to. But it's easier to deal with styles, because if you need to go back and change something a little bit later, it's simpler. Change to character style bold. Okay. Change all. 4 replacements made, and their phone has been changed to bold in each single one. Now this isn't something you would go in to change the styles. For example, if you wanted the web style to be something different, just use your paragraph styles to change this. This is good for changing individual items within paragraphs. Just a couple of other things here. You can turn fewer options, more options on like that, and you can add your own searches. Let's say you're constantly getting documents from clients with millions of tabs in them, and you want to go from multiple tabs to one tab. You can find what, and here you can put in a tab, but notice there are other characters. These have special markings, and we'd put in 2 of these, and then we'd change it what to 1 tab. Now grep, which we cover next, is actually a more powerful way to do this, but if you're just dealing with some simple stuff and don't want to get into the complexities of that, you could do something like that, and then you could just save it and call it double tab. Click on OK. I said tab, not tab. But then you can just come in and just select these items. That's my own one. Notice there are some others built in, dash to end dash, multiple return to single return. These are built in. I didn't create them. And then you would just go change all. I don't have any here, so there's no point in running it. So that's the basis of find change. This is the text items. And notice there are special characters here if you want a tab or any symbol like a bullet character. It is a special character that you might want to go in and search for. In the next movie, we'll take a look at much more advanced search, and that is grep.